So bringing those word problems back, guys. So we got solving trigonometric word problems. Even put the graph to scare you guys. So W of t, this is part important. W of t models the daily water level. So right here, this is talking about the water level. W is the water level, to be more specific. So that's the water level. And a point at a pond in Arizona, T days, so T is days. After the hottest day of the year. Here T is entered in radians, so just to kind of keep in mind when we put things in the calculator, make sure you're in radians. So what is the first time after the hottest day of the year that the water level is 30 centimeters? So remember T is days after the hottest day. So basically what's the first time that W is 30 is what this is saying. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead. It's easier than it seems. We're going to substitute in the 30 for W. And I feel like I'm writing forever here. So all I did was substitute in 30 for that W. And it's asking the first time because remember there can be multiple answers to this. This is just asking really for that principal answer. And solving for T now. So we got to solve for T just like we did in the past section, but I think it's going to be a little bit easier to look at if I just flip this around based upon that equal sign. So the property of equality here, we can flip this around. Plus 43 equals 30. So solving this, what we're going to do first is subtract the 43. And that's going to be negative 13. So 15 cosine of 2 pi over 365 t equals that. And then we're going to divide by 15. I have no idea what 15 or 13 over 15 is, so I'll put that in the calculator right now. I do know it's going to be negative, I can tell you that. So we're going to do 13 divided by 15. Ew. Let's just keep it as a fraction for now. It's a never-ending decimal. I'd rather not lose any digits here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the arc cosine. We'll round later. So arc cosine or cosine inverse of negative 13 over 15. And make sure that I'm in radians. So nope, I'm in degrees. So let's do cosine inverse of negative 13 divided by 15. And that's going to be 2.62. We'll go out to the hundredths place. So now how do we get t by itself? Well, this is just going back to some middle school algebra here. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. That way we cancel these out, cancel those out, and so t is going to equal, we're going to have 2.62 times 365 divided by 2 pi. And that would be 152.2. And that's the answer I got. So that would be the first time, and that would be 152 days after that. Oh, they want us to round our answer the nearest whole day, so let me get rid of that there. So 152 days.